Uba Renekton El Tongkhar UMLA naka parti HSPDP berkumju ubalong ru menteri katanat samum haka jilla uloong ba udon ka jingkermen ka baskem ba uba Arden Miller basaimoit unlong unong yelam uba khain bat unla ban yelam bhai ka parti ka bathmai ka baulaseng ka Voice of the People Party lane ka VPP. Da kabaw loong ba umkwa banong AA halor ka jingthau parti thamai jong ba Arden Miller basaimoit namar ba kadai hok ka jong u hakaba baro ngitip ba basaimoit udei unong yelam ubakhlain nadu baudang yelam ya kaseng FKJGP bat hakapor baula penyeso yelade ba kaseng sain perthei ulalong ru unong yelam ka HSPDP bat baro ngitip baulong unong yelam uba penle jimut ye kiseng sain perthei ki baula ju yelam. Uba Renekton uloong ru uba mentahi kadang mi kisngi kisang sain perthei riulum kiladang mi haka jela bat haka jing shisha na kaliang ka HSPDP kakwa bat terang bandon ka jinge teli hapadang kisang sain perthei riulum. Ula benrap ru bana kaliang ka HSPDP kantre shitom ban penki imbiang ya kimensim ban ya trelang hapadang kisang sain perthei riulum haka ba nginyele ban kersan lang iwe pat. Uloong ru bakatei ka jingtmu bandon ka jinge trelang hapadang ki seng sain perthei riulum kalong namar ba man kapor ki mat ya trekam jong ki seng sain perthei riulum kilong hi kumju kumta lasngo bakadei bandon ka jinge teli bar ka jinge trelang. Uloong ru bakan long ka babha lada ki seng sain perthei riulum kin ya teli lang henrei ka jingkeli kalong ba hatu kinla banle kumta. Henrei lada kimla banle kumtaru ki seng sain perthei riulum kila banyeso lang hakaju ka alliance.
In this term, we have tried our best as a party to create a friendly atmosphere among the partners. We have tried our best to always be a part of solution whenever there is any problem here and there. And we have managed to do that. So our responsibility will continue to try our best to bring about the unification, to bring the spirit of working together, supporting each other. I will not be able to say up to what extent we will reach to that conclusion to work together, but we are in the mode of working together among regional parties, because you have seen hardly any difference in the agenda of regional parties. Almost all are same, so we should work together.
Is it because
There are multiple reasons on this. Of course, that is the human wants that it's possible to be leaders, but I think this divide and rule policy that has been there from many years, many generations, it's not that good. So there are many reasons for which I cannot say exactly for what reason that the past leaders has failed to bring the unification. What they have tried, I should appreciate that. That is good thought. They have tried, and we will also be trying. Otherwise, it is very difficult to ensure or to say up to what extent we will success in doing that. But I must appreciate our previous leaders. They have started, they have initiated, and as the present leader, I think it's our responsibility to also try to put an effort to bring about the unification of the regional parties. I wouldn't have to say much on that. He has every right. We know Arden as always a leader. He has been leading the NGO, FKJP as president for many years. And then of course he joined politics. He has been president of HSPDP. So I think nobody doubt that he will always try to focus to lead the political party. Still, at his age, he's still very young, and long way to go. So I wouldn't have much to say anything on that. But the only thing I'm concerning is that we thought that if possible we will unite the regional parties. But I don't know whether we can do that when more and more regional parties are coming up. So that is the only matter of concern. Otherwise, there's nothing wrong. But whether that will help us to really bring unification of regional parties, that's the question. Because we express, and everybody, I think, people of the state also could see and understand that if we want to strengthen the regional force, it is only the unification. And if we have so many regional parties, to my understanding, that's the best. But whether we can do that, that's the question. Otherwise, that's the best. But if we cannot do that, at least if we can have one group, one alliance that we will join together, that also it will be wonderful if we can do even that alliance that we all regional parties join together in that alliance. So let's see to what extent we can do that. You see, national parties, I think it may not be correct for me to say that the national party has failed to understand, because national party leader also is our people only from the state. So I will not say that they have failed to understand the thoughts, the mentality of our people in the state. But you see, regional parties, we are focusing only on our own state as of now. So you see, diversion of mind, the diversion of thoughts will not be there to the regional parties, because they are focusing only on the state, only on the people of Meghalaya. But when it comes to the national party, then their thought is different. They thought in many states, so of course they have to balance. We understand that they have to balance according to the thought process, the understanding of other states as well. But regional parties, they will only focus about the people of Meghalaya.